Hi, Madison. Um, what's up? I haven't talked to you in so long. Like, a really long time. Um, by talking, I mean like a full-on conversation. But, anyways, you want to know what I could really go for right now? Is a Fat Mint. I haven't had a Fat Mint in so long. Like, so long. But that's really funny that you found all of our stuff from 8th grade today. And, yeah, I'll give you my number so you can text me sometime so we can hang out because I miss you. Okay? Okay. Bye, Madison. Oh no! Oh no! The stop button didn't work. That's embarrassing. But for real this time. Bye.